Gold in a holding pattern. Copper slips on China. Jitters. Gold fees stored to a tight variety on Thursday amid blended signals over U.S. financial coverage, even as copper costs fell after a earnings caution from a first-rate Chinese property developer drove more concerns over demand. Spot gold rose 0.2% to $1,765.65 an oz by 22:51 ET, 2:51 Greenwich Mean Time, at the same time as gold futures rose 0.15% to $1,778.75. But both contraptions have been buying and selling in large part inside a $1,750 to $1,810 variety visible over the last 2 weeks. Gold expenses had slipped on Wednesday after the minutes of the Federal Reserve and RSQ's July meeting confirmed that most members supported more rate hikes to convey down inflation. While the critical financial institution intends to ultimately reconsider its pace of tightening, it indicated that its miles probably to maintain trekking quotes at a sharp clip till inflation is well inside its 2% target variety. The dollar index rose after the minutes, as did Treasury yields. The Fed hiked fees by way of 0.75% closing month, with investors now break up over a 0.5% or 0.75% hike in September. While Record's final week did display that U.S. inflation had likely peaked, Fed members indicated that it became nevertheless a long way too high to take into account decreasing the pace of financial coverage tightening. Strength inside the greenback weighed on most metal expenditures. Platinum futures fell 0.4%, even as silver futures lost 0.6%. In business metals, copper futures fell 0.2% after Country Garden Holdings Company Limited (HK) 2007, certainly one of the biggest assets builders in China, flagged an intense income drop due to a worsening actual estate marketplace. An extended slowdown in China and RSQ's real property marketplace is likely to impact broader financial hobby inside the United States of America, which in turn ought to impact call for commodities. The U.S. is the biggest copper importer in the world. Nickel futures sank 1.2% on Thursday, while zinc misplaced over 4%. Iron ore expenditures also are trending decrease.